It's a privilege to join you today by the Johor River for this important occasion, the groundbreaking of Rianlon's first overseas manufacturing facility. On behalf of Infineum, I extend my warmest congratulations to Rianlon on this milestone achievement, which fittingly coincides with the 9th anniversary of your listing. Infineum and Rianlon are brought together by a shared understanding of what our customers value most: reliable supply, cost competitiveness, great technology, and a long-term partnership. In today's environment, where resilience and continuity are critical, our collaboration reflects a deliberate effort to build a stronger, more balanced supply chain across Asia-Pacific. By combining Rianlon's production footprint with Infineum's global distribution and customer access, we are strengthening the overall lubricant additives value chain. This partnership allows us to manage risk more effectively, optimize logistics, and maintain consistent service levels even in the current challenging global context.
So today, it's about far more than just signing a business transaction with another partner. That's something we do on a regular basis. This is truly an inflection point for our industry. I believe we'll look back on signing this relationship today with Rianlon as an absolutely fundamental pivot point for our company. I'm very, very excited about what the future is going to bring. It will bring success for Infineum, it will bring success for Rianlon, and I truly believe that we will grow together. To look back on today is something where we said, that's where it all began.